So as you guys know, I recently took a trip to Bicester Village, which is one of the biggest designer outlet stores in the UK, and oh my god, there are so many bargains that I have to share with you guys. Hey my beautiful hands, I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all the things that I got in my recent Bicester Village trip. In case you guys missed the upload, I have a come shopping with me vlog where I went to Bicester. I also gave you guys a few tips on navigating the virtual queues and just all the extra discounts that they have. A lot of the outlet stores are doing further outlets, so like an extra 30% off the already discounted prices. For those of you who don't live in the UK or maybe don't know what Bicester is, it is the biggest designer luxury outlet that we have here. So you have a Gucci outlet store, you have a Prada outlet store, Loewe, DIOR, even Penhaligon's if you're into their fragrances. I think there's even a Monica Vinader outlet store there as well. And then you also have other more contemporary brands like Ted Baker, you have Benefit, you have L'Occitane, you even have Manolo Blahnik, and I got an absolute steal in Manolo Blahnik. I am also going to film another dedicated video all about the best practices when shopping in outlet stores, ways to get the best discounts, because although you're in an outlet store, that doesn't actually mean it's the best discount. There are other things you need to look out for to make sure you get the best bargain and the best quality items. So make sure you look out for that video. I'm actually going to film it just after this one, so it will either be up just before. If it is before, I'll leave a link to it up here, or if it's going to be after, then make sure you have your post notifications turned on so that you never miss an upload. For you guys who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Belle Michelle. I do mainly travel and fashion videos, and then sometimes I sprinkle in a bit of hair, talk, life, anything else I want to speak about. I'm hoping by the end of this particular video, if you're not already subscribed, it convinces you to subscribe. So you might as well just do it now. Just click the little subscribe button there. I think I'm gonna start off with Loewe. So I got a pair of glasses in Loewe. If you actually follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen these because I have posted, I think now maybe 2 pictures with these. But I got a pair of sunglasses, and before I even show you these sunglasses, so unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably seen the Loewe Polar Ibiza glasses that have become really popular, more on like the tail end of spring and summer going into winter. Before this trip that I vlogged, I was in Bicester Village and I was in Loewe, and I saw those Polar Ibiza sunglasses in white and then a neon green, and I thought there's a reason why you guys are in the outlet, because it was just in this bright color that I usually would love, because I love bright colors, and I didn't pick it up. And then I was watching someone's haul here on YouTube, and she picked them up. The way she styled them was so amazing, and I thought, damn, I wish I picked up those glasses. And obviously by the time I went there again, which was literally just 2 weeks later on, but it was 2 weeks after the Boxing Day weekend where they had a lot of footfall, the glasses were gone. But I did find another pair of amazing glasses. So these, I don't know if these have a name. These are called the Gafas oversized sunglasses, and this is what they look like. So they are in this sort of half oval shape. I don't want to smudge my makeup, but this is what they look like. I absolutely love these. I love the fact that they have, you know, the Loewe logo here, and these just look so good on. Like I said, I have a few pictures over on my Instagram. I'll put them here or here of me wearing them, and I just absolutely adore these sunglasses. I do feel like Loewe makes some really amazing sunglasses. In the Bicester outlet, all the sunglasses are £100, and these are available online in some stores for about £400. I'll link them below if you do want to buy them, but if you're close to Bicester, definitely head there. Next up, I have a clothing item, and it's the only clothing item that I bought, and it was from Ted Baker's. It is this yellow satin slip dress. Is it a slip dress? Yes, it's a slip dress. The crazy thing is, I've had this dress saved on my Karma or Shop Tagger for quite some while, and I completely forgot about it. This was one of those things that it was already discounted, and then it had an additional discount on it. Obviously yellow is one of my favorite colors and just looks amazing on dark skin, so I had to get it. But yeah, I had this saved on my Ted Baker wish list, and I'd completely forgotten about it because it sold out online. So then I remember when I bought it, I was then trying to find the link for this video, and I saw, oh my god, I actually had this saved and I wanted it. And look at God, ya Allah, alhamdulillah, found it at discounted price. And this is something I'm going to get so much wear out of in summer. It's perfect for a summer wedding, or even when you're traveling. The color is just gorgeous. Like, just look at that color. And the satin is amazing quality. Doesn't look like much on the hangout, but once you wear it, should I show you the Manolo Blahniks now? No, I'm gonna keep the Manolo Blahniks until the end. Let's get into some makeup and skincare bits. So there is also a Benefit outlet over in Bicester Village. I really love Benefit products, and they had like some of the core Benefit items there at a discounted price. So the two things I got is so this is just a pair of tweezers, then it has a little brush as well. I already have this in my collection, but I bought this one for my mum. And then I also picked up the Benefit the Pore Professional Agent Zero Shine. Once again, I already have this in my collection, but mine is sort of running out, so yeah, I just got a top up, and this is what I use on my corners hair, and it just gives you a bit of a brighter under eye, but it's flash proof. I know right now the trend of the really bright under eyes is in right now. I do want to try it, but this is like my introduction to it, so I only really do it in the corners here. I don't do it all around my under eye, but I think one day I am actually going to try this. This is amazing just for like making sure, as you can see here, for me never gets oily. I do get oily around this area here, around my smile line. Sorry, someone was jogging and just staring into my window, but then I'm also short-sighted and I don't have my contacts in. They might be staring at something else. But anyway, back to Agent Zero. But yeah, I really love this, and I think I am actually going to start using it on my smile lines to just counteract that shine, but it definitely helps if you have oily skin. Next place I went was L'Occitane, and once again, I never actually realized there's a L'Occitane outlet in Bicester. I have definitely walked past it before because it's just before the Fendi and the Coach store, so I've definitely walked past it before, but I just never noticed it. But anyway, this is their supple skin oil. I've heard great things about this, and once again, this is something that I actually had saved to purchase. So when I was in Bicester and I saw there's a L'Occitane outlet, I really wanted to pick it up. So this is what it looks like, and I think it just, let me try it right now. Oh, it's like a spray. Okay, it's a spray. It's an oil, and it just makes your skin look really supple and really, oh, it smells nice. Oh, it smells really nice. It has like a very, it doesn't have a distinctive scent, but it just has a, like, just a nice fresh oily type scent. Oh, I like that. I like that. No, I like that. I feel like oils as well are really good for layering fragrances. If you want your fragrance to be a bit more intense, then using an oil on your body and then spraying your fragrance afterwards, they will last for longer and they will be a lot more intense. But yeah, really like that. And then the last sort of skincare place I went was Rituals. I shared this on my Instagram. I have a new favorite body oil, and it is this one from Rituals. So this is their Ritual of Namaste Natural Skincare, and this is the natural hydrating body cream, and it has hyaluronic acid and shea butter. This is amazing. My husband is actually the person that put me on this, and then ever since he got it, I think, no, it's not he that got it. We got it as a gift together. Like, we got a gift set type thing, and then he opened it and started using it before I did. This was in it, and ever since then, like, I have been hooked. This is my old one, so this one is completely empty. This is the new one, and the great thing about this that I didn't know is you can actually, okay, I don't want to break a nail, but basically you can keep the tub and then buy a refill. So I also bought the refill. So the refill looks like this. So right now what I'm going to do, off camera, not now, but I will take my old one, like the old tub, out of this and refill it with this new one, which is amazing. And the refill I think is £10, and then this is about, I think, 13 or 14 pounds. Do you know what, don't quote me, is my receipt in there? No, it's not, but basically it's a lot cheaper than buying it online. I think online this alone is about £30 or 30 something pounds, I think. Don't quote me. It leaves my skin feeling so smooth. I do still use my Nivea for every day because this is a bit pricey, but sometimes when I want to feel a bit more luxurious, I use this, and definitely on the weekends I use this whenever I'm going out. Next we have this massive bag from Tory Burch. So Tory Burch, similar to Ted Baker, is one of those stores that around this period and sometimes throughout the year, they always do like an extra 30 or 20% off the already discounted outlet price. And this is a bag I actually had my eye on. Let me take it out first because it's currently, like, it's got the tissue paper and everything. Comment down below what bag you think I got. What bag do you think I would have got that would be this massive? Comment down below. Did you guess? It is a raffia tote bag. So as you guys know, I love my Loewe basket bag, and I think I said before that I want to get the bigger size, but the bigger size of that basket bag is at a price point that I don't think I can justify buying for a basket bag, no matter how much I love the Loewe brand. Like, it is just ridiculous. But this Tory Burch one has actually also been on my wish list because I said if I don't get the Loewe one at a discounted price, I'm going to get this one because it's very similar. So this is my new baby, and it is the Tory Burch Ella straw bag, and I absolutely love her. It is essentially a basket bag, but I love these raffia basket bags so much. It has the leather detailing here with the Tory Burch logo, and then it also has the leather, I believe this is calf skin leather as well, the handles. I don't want to take these off because really and truly I'm probably not going to use this until around March time, so I want to keep all of this on, but I wanted to show you guys. The thing I like about this, and I think the thing that sold me more to this rather than the Loewe one, is that this is actually a purse, so you can fit some small items there, like maybe your phone, depending on the size of your iPhone you have. It comes with a little pouch as well, and there's also a little compartment in here, so it just allows me to be a bit more organized than my Loewe one. Obviously in the smaller size doesn't really matter, but with such a big size raffia bag, you can imagine how things can get lost in a bag that's this big. Oh my god, I think I got some of my foundation on it. No, my babe. Another thing I love about Tory Burch is that with all their bags, even with their shoes, they always give you this bag cover, or like a bag for your bag basically, and it's always in amazing quality. I usually use this as a bag inside my raffia bag because obviously there's no zip for this bag, and with this there's at least a drawstring, so I'll put all my items in here, drawstring, put them in there, and then walk around with my bag. I was also thinking about getting the Celine one because I know the Celine one has a long strap, but I think if I want a raffia bag that has a strap, I'm literally just gonna buy one for like $15.99 or something off Amazon. I think I am at my wit's end when it comes to extortionately priced basket bags, but you're buying into the brand, and this is definitely worth it. I really got a bargain price for this. So online in some stores this bag is available in this size near enough the £500 mark. In the outlet store it was about £320 ish, but then Tory Burch had an extra 30% off all bags, so in the end I paid £174 for this basket bag, which is less than half the retail price. So an absolute bargain, and I'm so happy. If you guys remember, even with my Loewe bag, I bought it in Harrods duty free in Heathrow, and I got a bit of a discount of that because I didn't have to pay the tax. This bag makes me so happy. I cannot wait to take on all my travels, and I believe my Loewe bag is going to fit quite nicely into this bag, which means I can take both of them. Lastly, but by absolutely no means least, I have the shoes I got from Manolo Blahnik. So like I said, if you're following me over on my Instagram, you might have already seen these shoes. Usually when I buy something new, I wait a bit before I wear it. I don't know, is anyone like this? Like my husband, when he buys something new, he has to wear it straight away, and he will probably like wear the hell out of that item. Me on the other hand, I do like to baby my items, and when I get them I just want to keep them fresh for as long as possible. But when I got these, they went so well with an outfit that I was about to wear that I just had to wear them straight away. But since then I actually have not worn them. I haven't worn them out yet. They come in this box, a pair of the classic Manolo Blahnik Hangisi shoes, and I got them with the traditional gunmetal, and they are in this lovely champagne gold color, and these are just stunning. I love these so much. Like, these are my brand new babies. I just love how the gunmetal rhinestones look against that champagne gold. So gorgeous, and these are such a classic pair of shoes. So a bit of a story time with these. I went into Manolo Blahnik. I wasn't even looking to buy any shoes. I actually had a shoe that I'd put on hold in DIOR, and I was going to go and buy that. But when I went in there, they had a pair of Hangisis that were, if I have a picture or video, I'll try to put them up, but they were sort of grey and white, but a patterned pair of Hangisis. Now I like patterned shoes. I like those sort of wacky patterns. So I was looking at them quite interested, and I asked the lady if she has them in a size 41, and she didn't, but she said, I do have some traditional Hangisis that by accident were sent to the store. These shoes in the classic colors like the black, the silver, champagne gold, the whites never go on sale because they are always in demand. So by accident they were sent to the Bicester outlet store, meaning that they had to sell them at the outlet price. So she brought them out. There was this version, there was also a grey one that had pearls, and then there was a black one. Now I was really tempted to actually take the black one because I thought they're a classic heel. I want to get them in the classic black color, but I thought, Michelle, don't do that. Stick to what you know. And I got them in this because with this, because they're satin shoes, I can get all the wear I want out of this color, and then I can dye them in this color palette. I can dye them yellow, I think I can dye them red, I can dye them green, I think I can even dye them orange. I can basically dye them, well, get them dyed in an array of colors, which is what a lot of people do. The salesperson was telling me a lot of people who buy Hangisis as wedding shoes, obviously they buy them in white, and then after they will dye them a different color so that they get a lot of use out of them. Or I could even dye them black. black, whereas if I bought the black, I would just start off with black. But I'm so happy I got this. The fact that I got this and then instantly it went with the outfit that I was shooting just further confirmed that I got the right color, because it was something that already worked with outfits that I had in my wardrobe. Oh, I didn't even let you guys know the price. So I think these retail for about £800 and I got them for £520. Manolo Hangisis are on like my ultimate wish list, but I never thought I would buy them anytime soon just because of the price. And there's other shoes that I like that are a bit more under the 800, even under the £600 mark. But when I saw these, I was like, I have to get them. Like, I have to get them. When will this ever happen again? So those are all the items that I got from Bicester Village. If you haven't already seen my Bicester Village come shopping with me video, I will leave it in the description bar below. Make sure you check it out because I literally go through all the stores with you guys. I also share prices in YSL, Prada, Gucci, and I think I'm going to try and do one once a year because you guys really seem to like it. But yeah, I'm so happy with everything that I got. Let me know what was your favorite item that I shared with you guys. If you like this video, I think you might like this video here or possibly this video here. Click on either of those and let me continue to entertain you. I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.